You scrub the floors. You mop the tiles. You light your favorite candle. Yet something still feels off. The air doesn't feel fresh. The walls look tired. And even though your home is clean, it somehow looks old. The truth is, a home doesn't need to be dirty to look dirty. It's the hidden habits, the overlooked corners, the small, outdated details that quietly age your space day after day. And in this video, we'll uncover 15 subtle mistakes that are making your home look older and dirtier than it really is. Fix these, and I promise, your home will start to feel brand new. Brighter, fresher, lighter, like it's breathing again. Welcome back to the channel, where we believe a clean home is more than a task, it's a lifestyle. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious family home, these small habits can transform how your space looks and feels. So grab your notepad, or just listen closely, because these 15 mistakes are things almost every homeowner is guilty of, without even realizing it. Let's start right from the most overlooked one. Mistake 1. Neglecting light switches and outlet covers. Light switches, small, innocent, and often invisible. But here's the thing, your hands touch them every single day. Oils from your skin, dust floating in the air, moisture from mopping, all slowly build up over time. What once was crisp white becomes dull beige, or worse, that unflattering yellow tint that screams age. The same goes for outlet covers. They collect grime silently, and you barely notice until you repaint the walls and realize they don't match anymore. Fix. Take 5 minutes every few weeks to wipe them down with a damp microfiber cloth and mild dish soap. If they've already discolored permanently, replacing them costs next to nothing. It's one of those invisible upgrades that instantly makes your room look newer, even if you haven't changed anything else. Mistake 2. Cluttered surfaces and overdecorating. Have you ever walked into a space where every table, shelf, and counter is filled to the brim? Candles, books, vases, souvenirs, appliances, mail, all fighting for attention. That's visual noise, and it tricks the eye into feeling overwhelmed, no matter how clean the surfaces are. Fix. Keep only what you use daily. Let each surface breathe. 1 or 2 statement pieces can say more than 10 small trinkets ever will. Think of your home like a beautiful sentence. If every word shouts, you can't hear the message. But with space and intention, every object starts to matter. Mistake 3. Forgetting baseboards, door frames, and corners. The baseboards, the silent dust collectors of every home. You vacuum the floor, but what about that little strip where the wall meets the ground? Or the door frame edges where dust hides? Over time, they darken, dull, and make your freshly cleaned walls look tired. Fix. Every 2 weeks, grab a damp microfiber cloth and glide it along those edges. For stubborn grime, a soft brush or even an old toothbrush works wonders. This one small habit can completely change how fresh your home feels, especially in natural light. Mistake 4. Old, dusty curtains and blinds. Curtains are like the eyelashes of your home. They frame your windows, soften the light, and add character. But because they hang there quietly, they often become dust traps. Even worse, dusty fabric holds onto smells, cooking oils, perfume, smoke. You might not smell it, but guests do. Fix. Vacuum or shake out curtains every week. Wash or dry clean them once every few months. For blinds, use a microfiber duster or a sock over your hand to clean each slat. When sunlight shines through clean fabric, your space feels instantly lighter, as if the walls just got painted. Mistake 5. Neglecting the entryway. Your entryway is your home's handshake, the first impression that sets the tone for everything else. A pile of shoes, a tangle of umbrellas, or a worn doormat can subconsciously say, "This home is tired." Fix. Keep it intentional. 1 small shoe rack, 1 mat, maybe a simple wall hook for keys. Add a plant or framed art for a welcoming touch. When your entryway feels peaceful, it tells your mind, this is a calm, cared-for home. Mistake 6. Old towels and worn-out linens. Nothing says aged home like faded, frayed, or stiff towels. We often hold on to them for comfort or habit, but when towels lose their fluff, they drag down your bathroom's entire look. Fix. Replace old towels and sets. Even just 2 fresh ones can instantly make your bathroom feel like a spa. The same goes for bed sheets. Dull, stretched out linen ages your bedroom faster than any wall color. Crisp, clean fabrics whisper freshness even before you say a word. Mistake 7. Overcrowded or dusty shelves. Shelves tell your home story. But when every inch is covered with books, decor, or forgotten trinkets, it starts to look like clutter, not charm. Fix. Try the 60-40 rule. Leave 60% of the shelf empty space. Dust weekly, rearrange monthly, and rotate what's displayed. Give each item a reason to exist there. When shelves are balanced, your home feels effortlessly elegant, not stuffed. Mistake 8. Harsh lighting or old bulbs. Lighting is the makeup of your home. It can flatter or age your space instantly. Yellow bulbs, flickering tubes, or uneven shadows make even clean spaces look grimy. Fix. Use warm white or daylight LED bulbs for natural glow. Layer your lighting. A mix of ceiling, task, and accent lights. It's like giving your home a subtle facelift. No tools required. Mistake 9. Worn-out rugs and mats. Look at your doormat or hallway rug. Is it faded? Frayed? Stained? The irony is, rugs are supposed to enhance your home, not age it. Fix. Replace old rugs once they lose color or texture. Wash them often, especially near entryways. A clean, vibrant rug anchors the room, turning dull floors into cozy, stylish statements. Mistake 10. Ignoring bathroom grout and tile corners. You might scrub your toilet, wipe the mirrors, and still wonder why the bathroom looks unclean. The culprit? Grout. Those little lines between tiles that collect soap scum, mold, and mildew. Fix. Mix baking soda and vinegar into a paste and scrub with a toothbrush. Rinse with warm water. Do it once a month. It's the difference between used and sparkling. Clean grout makes your bathroom look newer than a fresh coat of paint. Mistake 11. Dirty light fixtures and ceiling fans. When was the last time you cleaned your ceiling fan blades or your chandelier? Dust settles where you least look, above your head. Fix. Dust ceiling fans monthly and clean lampshades gently with a lint roller. For glass fixtures, wipe with vinegar and water. You'll be shocked at how much brighter your home becomes once the lights shine freely again. Mistake 12. Old, rusty, or mismatched hardware. Details matter. Old handles, loose knobs, or rusty faucets quietly scream outdated. Fix. Replace hardware with sleek, uniform designs. Matte black, brass, or brushed nickel instantly modernize any space. These tiny upgrades give your home a designer look, without the designer price. Mistake 13. Stale air and hidden odors. A home can look perfect, but if it smells musty, it feels dirty. Lingering cooking smells, damp corners, or pet odors create an invisible cloud that tells visitors something's off. Fix. Open your windows every morning for at least 15 minutes. Add air-purifying plants like peace lilies or snake plants. Use essential oil diffusers or simmer natural potpourri on the stove. Fresh air is free, and it's the best cleaning agent there is. Mistake 14. Messy kitchen counters and fridge clutter. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it's also where clutter gathers the fastest. Condiment bottles, mail, random utensils, all sitting out like permanent decor. Fix. Keep only the essentials on your counter. A coffee maker, maybe a fruit bowl. Everything else goes inside cabinets. And don't forget your fridge. Expired sauces and spills create both visual and actual mess. A clean fridge equals a cleaner home energy. Mistake 15. Dirty or neglected windows. Windows are your home's eyes, and when they're dull or streaky, everything inside looks tired. Fix. Clean windows inside and out at least once a month. Use equal parts vinegar and water, and wipe with newspaper or a lint-free cloth. Switch out heavy drapes for lighter ones to let in more sunlight. Natural light is the cheapest design secret there is. It can make any space feel warm, open, and alive again. Here's the truth. A home doesn't age because of time. It ages because of neglect. Because of the corners we forget, the objects we stop noticing, the habits that slowly dull its glow. Your home is a reflection of your daily choices. And when you care for it with awareness, it responds with beauty, warmth, and peace. These 15 fixes may seem small, but together, they create transformation. They tell the world, this home is loved. So, now that you know, which of these mistakes is quietly aging your home right now? Go ahead, look around your room. What's the first thing you'll fix today? Share your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know how you're breathing new life into your space. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because next, we're diving into small home upgrades that make your space look instantly expensive, even on a budget. Until then, keep your home light, alive, and loved. Because a beautiful home isn't about perfection. It's about attention.